Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to sign up your church or non-profit with a PayPal account. A PayPal business account for nonprofits makes it easy to accept donations from supporters around the world through your website, email campaigns, and mobile devices. It also gives your organization access to fundraising tools such as donate buttons, recurring donations, and secure online payment processing. Whether you're managing a local church, charity ministry, or nonprofit organization, setting up a PayPal nonprofit account can help you collect donations more efficiently while giving donors a trusted and convenient way to contribute. Now let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the PayPal website. Now click Sign Up and choose a business account. Then select Nonprofit Organization as your business type during the registration process. After that, enter your organization's details, including its legal name, email address, and any required registration information such as your employer identification number if applicable. Now complete the account registration by following the on-screen instructions. Then verify the identity of the primary authorized representative by providing the requested personal information for security purposes. After that, wait for PayPal to review and verify your nonprofit information. If additional documents are required, upload them as instructed. Now link your church's or nonprofit's bank account to your PayPal business account so you can receive donations and withdraw funds. Then check your email for any verification updates or additional steps needed to activate your account. After your account is approved, go to your PayPal business tools and choose the donate button option. Now create a standard or customized donate button and add it to your church or nonprofit website so supporters can donate online. Finally, test your donation setup to make sure everything is working correctly before sharing it with your community. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.